Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering the Tefal Home Chef Smart and prepping the main parts. Clean the inner pot and gasket, then position the unit on a stable counter. Next, add liquids first. This ensures proper sensor readings, followed by solids, measuring accurately. Once done, choose the appropriate program on the dial or app, set temperature and time, and close the lid until it clicks. Make sure the steam valve is set to sealed so pressure can build correctly before cooking starts. Now you handle the more detailed steps. If a recipe calls for browning, use the sauté function first. This develops flavor and prevents a flat result. Once caramelized, deglaze with 50 to 100 ml of liquid to lift stuck bits and avoid burn errors. Layer denser items on the bottom and fragile ones on top or in the steaming basket so everything cooks evenly. Check the pressure level and fine-tune minutes. Use app feedback or the display to monitor progress and make small adjustments if needed. To finish, follow the recipe's release method. Natural release keeps meats tender, while quick release saves time for vegetables. Always keep hands clear and use a tool. When pressure drops, open the lid away from your face and stir gently to check doneness and seasoning. Make small texture adjustments with a brief sauté or extra minutes if necessary. Finally, unplug, let the cooker cool, then clean the inner pot, gasket, and valve. If you get a burn error, add 50 ml liquid, deglaze, and retry. Clogged vents need cleaning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.